Hello and welcome to another update video about VeChain. On this chart, we have now also seen quite a sharp decline. Nothing changes really, but I've shifted the waves around a little bit. We're still tracking primarily here a bullish scenario, but it has a lot to prove. We have a bit of a breakout point there at this green line. You currently see the price action since May 22. So there's a descending trend line here, a break above this level, which might be around 3 cents. Maybe a little lower, could trigger quite a bit of a breakout there. We are tracking currently a diagonal, not an impulse. The last move up was also just a 3-wave move. So I'm counting that as an A wave off wave 3, where wave 1 was completed here in July. Why can this not be all of wave 3? It's simply too short. It didn't even reach the 100% extension level of wave 1. We want to normally, I cannot rule it out completely, right? Because it's a 3-wave move, it's above wave 1, but we normally don't accept a third wave of a diagonal that's shorter than the 100% extension level, even if it's just a little bit, because that's the bare minimum. Now, because it never reached that, I have to assume that this was only wave A of wave 3. And we're now coming back or down in wave B of wave 3 with support between 1.93 cents or 1.94 and 1.61 cents. Anything below 1.61 will make me assume that a new bear market low is coming. So that would mean any low below 1.33 cents, possibly hitting our long-term support that we have on the chart between 1.27 cents and 0.005 USD. But first of all, we're focusing just here on the range, and we are watching if an uptrend can sustain. I mean, we've seen a high and a higher low and a higher high. So now another higher low would be helpful. This should be a 3-wave move in wave B, which reaches this support area. Yeah. And then the C wave could be quite aggressive. A C wave in a diagonal can be quite aggressive. The same way, in a similar way, we had it here. Yeah. This was an A wave, a B wave, and quite an aggressive C wave. C waves are often impulses in diagonals. Okay, and here we had an A wave, a B wave, and the C wave could be aggressive. Would be a 5-wave move. Where could wave 3 then land? Well, it should target ideally. I mean, it depends a little bit on the length of wave B then, right, compared to A. But I would say realistic is 2.59 cents, 2.77, maybe even 3.1 cents for the third wave of wave 1 in a bullish interpretation. Then we should get a wave 4 at some point. That can be quite deep. Diagonal wave 4s are often quite deep, and then we get a wave 5. So that's what we are focusing. Yeah, we have to do it level by level. Let's first see if we can fill in all these waves. If we can't even do that, then new bear market lows are likely unfolding. So the 5 waves up are the very first milestone we need to focus on. So now it's all about, okay, can the 1.61 support level hold? Can the 1.61, well, it's 1.61 cents. Can that support level hold? That's a 78.6 retracement, and it's also previous structural support here from October. And if that level is holding, yeah, then I will look up to the already mentioned targets. Possibly it might just reach that green line there and then do a bit of a pullback, a higher low in wave 4, and then do the breakout in wave 5. Not much more to add at the moment. I hope you liked the update about VeChain. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye-bye.